The Eternal Pro integration with WealthCounsel is fast and secure. It lets estate planners run intake in Eternal Pro while keeping client contacts synchronized with WealthCounsel. To get started, first log in to WealthCounsel as you normally would. Next, switch to your Eternal Pro dashboard where you manage your client intake. Look for the Integrations menu and click WealthCounsel. Click the Connect to WealthCounsel button. Once the status shows green, you can return to the dashboard. Let's take a client who has finished their intake as indicated by the green completion circle and send their contacts to WealthCounsel. To start, click the share icon next to their name. The first section asks where to send the data. Choose WealthCounsel. Next, if the client has more than one matter in Eternal Pro, pick the source matter here. Then, pick the destination matter in WealthCounsel. You can either choose an existing matter or create a new one. Now, we'll choose which contacts to synchronize. Here, you decide how each contact is handled in WealthCounsel. Already, the system is noting that some contacts already exist in WealthCounsel, so in that case, you can click the Exists link to see what details are already present. You can then decide to either skip a contact or synchronize, which updates the existing contact's information. This provides granular control over data synchronization with WealthCounsel. Now, click Export. During this process, Eternal Pro sends a secure encrypted set of data directly into WealthCounsel, automatically handling matter and contact creation. It also automatically creates or synchronizes contacts, as you've specified. A success message confirms what was sent. Key matter records are shown for confirmation and stored with the matter. Next, let's switch back to WealthCounsel and see our data. First, open your contacts, then sort by modified date, and we can find all of our new and updated contacts here. You can also see that the primary contact has been associated with the matter. That's an overview of the WealthCounsel integration. It's just one piece of what Eternal Pro does. If you'd like to see the rest, book a demo and we'll show you how it fits your existing WealthCounsel and legal technology workflows. Thank you.